Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are well. This is Tithi. Today I am back to my channel with a new video. So welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about human skeleton or bones. So let's start without delay. So firstly we have to know what is skeleton. Skeleton is the framework of the body which provides the basic function of our body. We all know that human skeleton consists of 206 bones. However, we think that there are a lot of bones of our body. To memorize is so tough and difficult. But after watching my video, it will be very clear and easy. So now, firstly, we come to the bone types. The human skeleton can be divided into two principal divisions. This is axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton is 80 and appendicular skeleton is 126. Firstly, axial skeleton. There are two kinds of axial skeleton: skull bones 29 and vertebral bone 51. There are three kinds of skull bones. These are facial bones 14, cranial bones 8 and ear bones 6. First, facial bones. Mandible on maxilla to palatine to lacrimal to vomer on nasal to inferior nasal concha 2 and zygomatic 2. In the figure, this is the maxilla bone, mandible, zygomatic, lacrimal, nasal, vomer, inferior nasal concha. Now cranial bones. Here occipital on parietal to temporal to frontal on sphenoid on and ethmoid on. In the figure, this is the frontal bone, temporal, zygomatic, parietal, occipital, ethmoid and sphenoid. Now ear bones. Ear bones contain malleus 2, incus 2, stapes 2. In the figure, this is the malleus, incus and stapes. There is also a hyoid apparatus bone. Total skull bone, this 14, 8, this 8, 6, this 6 and hyoid apparatus on. Total 29 bones. Now vertebral bones. There are 5 kinds of vertebral bones: cervical vertebra 7, thoracic vertebra 12. Here 12 into 2. 2 refers to both sides. So 12 into 2 equals 24. The name of the bone is sternum, who connects the case on both sides. This is the sternum. So sternum on, total 25. Now lumbar 5, sacral on and coccygeal on, total 26. This 25 and skull bone 29, total 80 axial bones. In the figure, this is the cervical vertebra, thoracic vertebra, lumbar vertebra and sacrum and coccygeal vertebra. Now appendicular skeleton. It has two parts, upper part and lower part. Upper part contains pectoral or shoulder girdle and upper limb or extremities. Pectoral or shoulder girdle contains scapula 2 and clavicle 2, total 4, and upper limb or extremities, total 60. It contains humerus on, radius on, ulna on, carpal 8, metacarpal 5 and phalanges 14. Total 30 into 2. Here 2 refers to 2 limbs. So 60 plus these 4 equal 64. Now we come the lower part. Lower part has two parts. This is the pelvis or hip girdle and lower limb or extremities. Here this is the scapula and clavicle. This is humerus, radius, ulna, carpal, metacarpal and flanges. Now pelvic or hip girdle contains ilium on, ischium on and pubis on. 3 bones form a hip bone. So hip bone 2. Here this is the ilium, ischium and pubis, and it is the on hip bone and is another. Now we come the lower limb bones. Here femur on, patella on, tibia on, fibula on, tarsal 7, metatarsal 5 and flanges 14. Total 30 into 2. Here 2 refers to 2 limbs. So 30 into 2 equal 60 bones. In the figure, this is the femur, patella, tibia, fibula, tarsal, metatarsal and flanges. Now here this 62 hip bone and 64 upper part bone. Total 126 appendicular bone and axial bone 80, total 206 bones. Now the largest bone of our body is the femur and the smallest bone of our body is the stapes and softest is the mandible. This is the largest femur bone. This is the softest stapes bone. Smallest stapes bone and softest mandible bone. Here on important things, the clavicle is a F-like bone and it is called the beauty bone. So that was the video about human skeleton. If you are new of my video, please like, comment, subscribe and share with friends. Thanks for watching.